Imagine opening your favorite app and seeing nothing, just a blank screen staring back at you. Scary, right? But that's exactly what apps and websites would look like without front-end development. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on what front-end development is, why it matters, and how it impacts everything you do online. Let's start with the basics. What is front end? The front end is basically everything you see and interact with on a website or app. If you can click it, scroll past it, or read it, thank a front end developer. They are the ones who turn designs into the fully functioning sites you experience daily. Think of a restaurant. The front end is like the dining area. The table settings, the decor, the menu, it's everything you, the customer, directly interact with. In tech terms, front end is also called the client side because it's what you experience as a client or user. Front end development is built on three main languages. Let's meet the big three. HTML, hypertext markup language, is like a skeleton of a website. Just as a skeleton gives structure to the body, HTML provides the basic layout and structure of a web page. It's like the bones that hold everything together. Imagine you are building a profile page. HTML defines that there will be a header, a paragraph, a few images, and maybe some buttons. Just like a skeleton has places for arms, legs, and a head, HTML outlines where each element should go. Without HTML, you would have a mess of content with no layout. CSS, the skin and clothes. CSS is what makes your skeleton look human by adding style. It's the skin, clothes, all the visual aspects that make the website look unique. For example, CSS lets you choose colors, fonts, sizes, and spacing. So your profile page looks more than just an images, the plain text. Without CSS, all websites would look like basic text documents from early 90s. JavaScript is like the muscle and brain of a human body. It brings movement and interaction to the website. Imagine filling out a form online and seeing an error message. That's JavaScript in action, making sure the website responds to you. Without JavaScript, your website would just be static. Alright, now we know the basics, but modern front-end development is not done by hand coding everything from scratch. Let's talk about some of the tools that make developers' life easier. Front-end developers use tools called frameworks and libraries to speed up and simplify their work. Here are two popular ones. React, developed by Facebook. React is a library that makes it easy to build user interfaces. Vue, another favorite. Vue is simpler and perfect for smaller projects or developers who want more control over their code. These tools allow developers to reuse chunks of code, so they are not building everything from scratch every time. By stacking these blocks together, they can create something much faster and more efficient.
Frontend doesn't work alone. It has a partner called the backend that handles all the behind the scenes tasks. Think of the frontend as what users see, like buttons, text boxes, or images on a website or app. The backend is what makes those things work. For example, when you send a message in a chat app, the frontend is where you type and press send. The backend takes your message, processes it, and delivers it to the recipient.
Just remember, without the backend supporting it, the front end would not be able to do its magic. Now that you know the basics of front end, let's keep going. In the next video, we will talk about APIs, how they help the front end and back end work together. If you have watched until the end, comment I have learned about the front end. And if you want to see how to make flowcharts using ChatGPT, just click on the video on the screen. See you there.